for my next video, I'd like to do one on how to take high quality, very, very close macro photos. Okay, so a lot of people don't know this, and by the way, I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra. This works for probably the S24, I believe. I'm using the new One UI 8 beta 2, but I believe this also works on One UI 7, so this could be all the way back to even the 22 or the 23 Samsung. So anyway, let's get right into this. There's multiple ways to take a really nice macro. There's actually not multiple ways. There are several ways, let's put it this way. There's several ways to take a macro photo. There's really only one good one to take a super high quality close one. So let's get into our camera here and let's go and say we're at a 200 megapixel photo. So this gets in fairly close as I just do nothing and continue to go in close. Not great, but that's not bad. It's better than your average close photo. Okay, so now let's back this down to a 50 megapixel. Now you'll see, and we want to make sure our camera is off, you'll see a thing come up on the left side, a flower. Okay, so again, I'm not doing anything, and I can do this, and then I can zoom in, and it doesn't take bad macro photos, and I've done absolutely nothing. But there's a better way. So let's go back to our regular camera here, and on the left side you'll see a flower, and it's got a line through it. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap that, and when we do, it says focus enhancer is on. So now when we zoom in, I'm getting very, very, very close. I'm almost, as you can see, the shadow, that's because my camera is almost touching the paper. It's that close. Right now, my camera is touching the paper, and I'm tilting it to get the light in. So let's go ahead and take the picture. And as you can see, you can see the fibers of the paper. That's how close that picture was gotten with the macro function. So you're not getting a better macro picture than that. So that's the best way to take a macro picture. The trick to it, if you want to call it a trick, is you have to lower this to less than 200. It won't work if it's on 200. See, the little flower icon doesn't show up. Then you can still back it off and zoom in, but then there, it just changed lenses. Say that 100 times, lenses on me. So it doesn't do a perfect job. So let's go back to 50, tap the focus enhancer to on, and now, I mean, you can really get in there to the point that your camera is practically touching the paper. It's that good of a quality. So that's my video on macros and how to take an amazing macro shots with your Samsung phone. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.